In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your web browser. Once you are on the main page, look for the option that says Create New with a plus symbol next to it. Click that to start a fresh notebook. Think of a notebook as a dedicated workspace where you can collect materials for a topic and then ask questions based only on what you have provided. This helps you keep research organized and reduces the need to switch between different tabs and documents. After you create your new notebook, you will add sources. Find and click Upload. This is where you can bring in the information you want Notebooklm to work with. You can upload PDF files, add website URLs, or select files stored in Google Drive. When you choose your sources, try to keep them closely related to the same project or subject. A focused set of documents usually leads to clearer, more accurate answers. Once your sources are added, take a moment to look at the right-hand sidebar. You will see a section called Notebook Guides. This area includes different tools designed to help you understand your materials, such as overviews in different formats. Use these guides when you want a quick summary or a structured way to review what you uploaded. They are especially useful when you are starting with a long document and want a high-level view before you dig into details. Next, move to the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will ask questions that are grounded in your uploaded sources. Type a specific question using clear keywords from your documents and include context like a chapter name, topic, or time period if it applies. Being specific usually improves the quality of the response and makes it easier to verify the information. When Notebooklm returns an answer you want to keep, click the Save to Note icon on that response. This pins it to your notes area so you can collect key findings, summaries, or draft text in one place. Save multiple helpful responses as you go, then review your notes later to build an outline or final document. That covers everything you need to know.